Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, Herpes simplex virus. Outline and content of our video: introduction, classification, groups of viruses, Herpes simplex type 1, Herpes simplex type 2, discovery of virus, symptoms of virus, symptoms in women, treatment of virus and diagnosis. Introduction: a type of virus that causes herpes infection and has DNA as its genetic material. There are two types of herpes simplex viruses. Number 1, cold sore on the lips or nostrils. Infection. Number 2, viruses that affect the external and internal sex organ and glands. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are in new visitor, then please try to subscribe our channel. Firstly, you can see here the logo of Botany channel. Classification: here the family, order, class, kingdom, phylum and genus simplex virus. Group of virus: herpes viruses are divided into three groups: alpha herpes viruses, beta herpes viruses. You can see here the diagram of viruses. Herpes simplex type 1. Here the diagram of virus, and also you can read the description of virus. Herpes simplex type 1, a herpes virus that causes cold sore and fever blister in and around the mouth. Here is a typical fever blister caused by herpes simplex 1. In rare cases, as when someone's immune system is severely compromised, this virus can cause infection of brain. And herpes simplex type 1 is also known as human herpes virus 1, HHV1. Please try to share our channel with your other students, with your other friends, as well as researcher, because this channel is informational, and you can get a lot of data, a lot of information related to your subject, related to your course planner. For example, botany paper A, B, C, D, all the courses are available here in this channel, as well as MS botany and PhD botany also. Herpes simplex type 2. It's a virus that causes genital herpes, which is characterized by sore in the genital area, for example, in sex organs. The treatment of infection with herpes simplex type 2 is usually by topical or oral antiviral medication, although intravenous therapy is required to treat infection of the brain. Herpes simplex 2 is also known as human herpes virus 2, HHV2. You can see here the diagram of virus. Discovery of virus in 1919. Lowenstein confirmed experimentally the infectious nature of HSV that Shakespeare had only suspected. In the 1920 and 1930, the natural history of Herpes simplex virus was widely studied. It was found that HSV not only infect the skin but also the central nervous system. You can see here the diagram of Herpes simplex virus 1. Symptoms. Symptoms of genital herpes include flu-like symptoms including swollen glands, fever, chills, headache, and pain, itching around the genital area, red bumps, other blister which may ooze in the genital area, legs or lower back pain. Sign in women's. The first sign may include itching, tingling, burning feeling in the vaginal or anal area, flu-like symptoms including fever, swollen glands, pain in the legs, buttocks or vaginal area, a change in vaginal discharge, headache, difficulty in urination, a feeling of pressure in the area below the stomach. Like our channel. If you have any question, you can ask us in comment section. We will reply as soon as possible. Treatment. Always use condom and dental dams during oral or anal and vaginal sex. Talk with your doctor about taking herbs medication every day, which can lower your chances of spreading herpes. Do not have sex during a herpes outbreak, even with a condom. There may be sore on places the condom does not cover. You can see here the medication. Diagnosis. Your doctor usually can diagnose genital herpes based on a physical exam, the result of certain laboratory tests. Viral culture. This test involves taking a tissue sample or scraping of the source for examination in the laboratory. For your concentration. Thanks to visit our channel. Thank you so much to all of you. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.